My respected elders, comrades and friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Indeed, Allah has purchased from the believers their lives and their properties. In exchange for that, they will have paradise. It is written in the Quran, Surah 9, At-Tawbah, verse 111. Comrade Syed Hassan has indeed attained the greatest achievement that any resistance fighter can. For decades, he dedicated his life to his land and the people. He inspired revolutionaries around the world, and all freedom-loving people are in awe of his leadership and the formidable resistance he built against colonial occupation and the aspiration of Western imperialism in the region. His courage in coming to the aid of the Palestinian resistance taught the Zionist entity a lesson that will go down in history as an important milestone in the liberation of occupied Palestine. Today, we celebrate a man of God who honored his pact with Allah, and consequently, his legacy will be honored in this life and the hereafter. The fearless lion of Lebanon struck fear into the hearts of the Zionist settlers throughout occupied Palestine and inspired a generation of freedom fighters to embrace the principled choice, victory or martyrdom. What a victory he attained, and what greater martyrdom than for the liberation of Al-Aqsa. I thank you, comrades.